All right, so I got the rocket stove going here in a small trailer. Pull down here. I had to modify the basket just a little bit. I'll show that in another video. There's a nice glow and burn. We pull that clamp off. Careful, it's a little warm on this end, or it was earlier. And we got a nice glow and burn in there. Go ahead and slap that back on. And we'll get some readings here. So somewhere around 500. It's been warming it up in this little trailer about 2 degrees a minute, but it's pretty warm outside. It's about 40 degrees today, I'd say. So, gotta run it for a little while and we'll see where it goes from there.